That was scary.
You gotta film me because I don't have my camera.
I do.
Still freaking.
It's still wavering, buffering. Yeah. You want to bring it down? Okay. You're still spacey.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Holy shit. Yeah.
I wasn't gonna risk it with that.
Nope. That was too fast. It would have crashed somewhere. Okay, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
Time remaining 1 minute. Cruise mode.
Scared the birds.
Scaring me. What are you talking?
No, it scared me too. Okay, come on and land that puppy.
Cruise mode.
Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You got it, you got it, you got it. Come on. Do it. Let's do it. Do it. Yes.
Whoa! There we go.
Gear up.
Still oscillating a little bit.
Not as bad as it was.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Remember, it was doing this.
Yeah. It could be the wind too.
Cruise mode. Timer stop.
Oh, it did then, but I think it's wind. You got full control of it.
Cruise mode. Cruise mode. Timer stop. Cruise mode.
A lot smoother than it was before.
That's awesome.
Gear down.
Landing?
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yep. Because I might need 2 or 3 tries,
Okay.
especially with this crosswind. Let's.
Cruise mode. Timer stop.
Oops.
No, no, no.
That's why we're doing multiple tries.
Is it the
A
sun?
little bit wider on that final turn, I think.
Cruise mode. 30 seconds.
It's not buffering like it was.
No, it's not. That's why I think it's the wind.
20 seconds.
I think the last time was I didn't give enough time to get around that corner. All right, here we go. This time I have a better. I'm not gonna try to.
9, 8, 7, 6,
I did it again. The wind.
3, 2,
Whoa.
1. Time expired.
What do you think?
Make that turn a little bit wider and carry a bit more speed in it. It's stalling in that turn is what that wing drop is.
Okay, that's what I kind of thought too. All
Yeah,
right.
keep flying it out a bit wider than you were. And it looks like with this plane, you can probably just keep the power in most of the way until you're ready to land.
Yeah, the only thing is I don't have any more bag. I'm worried about the battery going past its limit right now.
Okay. That's
Okay.
probably a good turn. I would start your turn
Right there.
Just keep it coming around. There you go. Start putting out of it. Now you're lined up. I would start coming off the power, and
Time
I'll
to
lose your
stop.
altitude real quick. Come right. Come right. There you go. Just let it come in.
Timer stop. Timer stop. Timer
Very
stop.
nice.